Feel ko mababash ako nito, but hear me out. I think a lot of Filipinos don't actually hate corruption. They just hate being excluded from it. You know why? Let's be honest, guys. Alam naman natin yung nangyayari sa government natin ngayon. Sa lahat ng issues since the past year pa hanggang ngayon, halos lahat na siguro ng Filipino ay nagko-complain about corrupt politicians. And that's completely fine. Okay yon, maganda yon na nagko-complain tayo. However, most of those na nagko-complain, hindi ko nila lahat ha, pero most ng mga nagko-complain, they use connections to skip lines, to avoid penalties, and to get favor the moment it benefits them. We always criticize government systems, which is for me, okay yon, maganda yon na nag-criticize tayo kung merong mali at hindi naaayon. But we also normalize palakasan system in our everyday life, which is hindi nagme-make sense. And I believe corruption survives not only because of politicians, at hindi ko miniminize yung role ng politician dyan ha. Malaki yung factor ng mga politician kung bakit nagsusurvive yung corruption. But I believe corruption also survives kasi nga our culture is slowly getting comfortable in bending rules. For example, using fake medical excuses, cutting processes, academic cheating, and gumagamit ka ng influence to get special treatment. Ito lang ang masasabi ko. Ito na siguro yung gist ng buong sinasabi ko, no? It's okay to demand accountability from our leaders. Tama yan, no? Huwag tayong mag-stop mag-demand ng accountability and good public service from our leaders. However, we can't do that while celebrating dishonesty when our side benefits. Okay? So dapat equal yan, no? Mag-demand tayo for government integrity, pero dapat tayo mismo mag-start tayo sa sarili natin. We start with the small steps, no? Para siya mag-manifest sa buong Pilipinas, dapat mag-start muna sa atin. Okay? Let me know if you agree with me.